your girl Christy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's makeup look, I'm actually going to be giving you a full face of this look. I'm going to give you guys a simple holiday glam look, okay? Because not everybody wants to get all dolled up when it's time to go out. Sometimes we just want like a simple, natural look with a pop of color. And red is the hottest color for the season, you guys. So I'm going to give you that look today, you guys. I'm going to take you step by step. I definitely want to make this video simple and easy and quick. I don't want to keep you guys for too long like I did in my last video, and I don't want to bore you guys. So yeah, you guys, if you have any other suggestions for any other videos for Vlogmas, make sure you drop it down below in my comment box. And as always, each product will be down below in the description box. So if you want to shop it, you can shop it, okay? Because your girl be giving out some, you know, bomb products. Alright, you guys, and also if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead right now, click that subscribe button, you guys, and become a beauty and join the team. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. Alright, you guys, so I have already done my brows and everything like that. You guys, I am going to prime my eyes with my Urban Decay. This is an eyeshadow primer potion. It looks just like this, you guys, and I'm actually just going to put it up over my eyes. Although I'm not going to do an eyeshadow today, you guys, I still want to have that to be set somewhat, and then I'm going to rub a nice, just like brown powder eyeshadow powder over my eyes, similar to my skin tone, you guys, just to go ahead and set that out. So rub that in. Next, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my cat eye. So for me, you guys, a simple holiday glam is just like either some simple eyeshadow with a touch of gold, or for me, it's like a nice cat eye, and then you can line it up with some gold glitter, do a pop of lip. That's what, you know, a simple holiday look is for me, because not everybody wants to put on all that makeup and have a full face of a glam look. So I'm actually going to be using my Kai liner. This is my favorite eyeliner, you guys. If you guys have not checked this out, definitely go onto her website and get it. She's been having some really good sales and deals, you guys, lately, so definitely go check her website out. This is really on point. I'm actually going to do something a little bit ghetto, you guys. I'm going to take this here, and I'm going to actually create the little line that I want to make for my cat eye. Now, do what suits you best, okay? I'm doing this because I don't have any straight edge tape right now, and I want to make sure I get the straightest line. So I'm just gonna take this and just line this up a little bit from the end, and then underneath my eye, you guys, and I'm just gonna make a little line like that. That way, you guys, I can go in and I can just do that, the curve. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, you guys. Ta-da! So now I'm just going to go ahead and fill that in, you guys, and make it a little bit more in depth. Alright, so once I am done applying that eyeshadow powder over my eyes from that palette, I'm actually going to attach my lashes, you guys. These are just, I don't even honestly know what type of style lashes they are. I just like them because I love how they kind of like flared out and they're kind of crazy. But I'm still trying to let this glue dry just a little bit, you guys. You want to make sure it's tacky and it's still not just like freshly on there, because it's going to stick better if it's tacky. So sometimes I like to use a blow dryer to, you know, make it dry, or I can hold it up against my ring light and it'll start to dry because of the heat from the ring light, if that makes sense. So we're going to do that for a second, you guys, and then we're going to add on the lashes to my eyes. Okay, cool. So now we can add it. It's more in a tacky form. So I like to hold down my lashes, my natural lashes that is. Just pull them down, and then I like to apply. Alright you guys, so once I am done with my cat eye and added my lashes on because my lashes didn't want to do anything today. Just didn't want to cooperate today. So I had to get off camera to get them right. You guys, I'm actually going to go in with my gold glitter here. This I got from a clothing store that I worked at, you guys, and I've had it for like some months. I really love it, but if you guys are looking for some type of eye glitter, you can always check out Urban Decay. They have like a wide variety of eye glitter, so that's similar to this, if you know what I mean. So to give my eyes the ultimate glam, you guys, I'm actually going to add some glitter going underneath. And then I'm going to start out at the front of my eye and then kind of trace over that cat eye, you guys. Alright, next I'm going to go in with my LA Pro orange corrector, you guys. I'm just going to clear up these dark spots that I have. Ooh, that went to this eyeball. Next I'm going to go in, you guys, with my Morphe concealer. This is this C445 concealer, you guys. I'm just going to put a little bit up underneath my eyes and any spots where I have on my face. Now you guys, we're gonna move on to foundation, and right now I'm just gonna kind of set that really quick, you guys. We're gonna move into foundation. I'm actually gonna be using my Makeup Revolution London foundation, you guys. This is one of my favorite foundations, especially if you have oily skin. Last but not least, to finalize this simple holiday glam, I'm actually going to be using the Dose of Colors red lipstick, you guys. The name of this is called Date Night. It's very red, it's very luscious, I love it. It's perfect for a simple holiday glam. Alright you guys, so that concludes today's simple holiday glam look. I hope that you guys enjoy this look. Hopefully I was able to give you really simple instructions on how to pretty much do a nice glam look without having to go overboard. This is for my beauties who just don't want to do all the eyeshadow, the prim and the prep and everything. You just want to do like a nice glam and get your day going, you know, because sometimes it just don't be that serious. So yeah, you guys, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button. It's like right here at the bottom. And then go ahead, share and like the video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.